Well, hello, it's Farmer Jim here. Come on in and sit a spell. I'm going to teach you how to make a very special chili. It's that time of year for the big Corn County Chili Cook-Off, and I'm ready to submit a really exciting entry. I'm going to be making a pineapple chili. And you know there's my arch nemesis, Nellie Tinkle, and she'll be entering too. She's doing some type of cinnamon toast crunch chili. But Nellie, I'm gonna be getting that ribbon this year with my pineapple chili. So grab yourself a pot. We're making chili. I'm starting by cooking up some Italian sausage. I got a pound here. Just throw it in your pot and start cooking. I have a sweet yellow onion that I've chopped up. That's going in there as well to start cooking. And a couple tablespoons of minced garlic's gonna go in there too. Once that meat is browned and that onion is soft, it's time to add some canned food. 2 cans of Italian-style diced tomatoes. I have a can of rinsed and drained black beans. I'm adding a can of tomato paste. I'm mixing in a teaspoon of chili powder and a couple teaspoons of cumin. And the final ingredient is the star attraction, pineapple tidbits. We're going to need to add the whole can as well as the juice. Now I'm just going to cook it on medium for about 30 minutes to allow all those juices to simmer together. Oh yes, that looks pretty darn good. You gotta serve it with some cheese and a little sour cream. Pineapple chili. That's a tasty chili. That pineapple just adds a nice little fruity tang to my chili. And it's the fruity tang that tastes good. Who would have known that pineapple would be so good in chili? You have to try this at home. And whoa, Nellie, you better watch out. It's good chili. What do you get if you cross a pig with a pineapple? A porcupine.